Welcome to the world of Envogue, luxury as our identity. Unfold your style, unleash your soul. Open the doors to endless possibilities with Envogue's 25,000 square feet manufacturing plant area, with state-of-art manufacturing machineries. All new tailored experience. Delivering quality is our passion. We pour the power of uncompromising quality. Introducing the mighty touch of quality, the all-new King Tenorish series. Stepping into our new milestone of manufacturing airbag-compatible seat covers. Real-time testing, checking airbag deploy, revolutionizing vehicle safety. Seamlessly integrate style, comfort, and protection. Experience the comfort and ambience with finest breathtaking quality.